Hey, what is going on, YouTubers, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, guys? It's me, Marlon O Bennett, guys. I want to apologize. I've been away on another channel doing some other things, and I completely got kind of caught up in what it was I was doing and working on something. And I remember that I don't care if it's one subscriber on my top secret well-planned YouTube video channel. I want to make sure that I'm always here, I'm always present, and that I'm always delivering quality content, products, services, information, opportunities, techniques, tactics, and strategies, and systems that you guys can use should you decide to start your own work from home side hustle. Guys, I am so sorry, right? YouTube's a bigger place than I thought it was, guys, okay? I actually have about, I don't know, I think I have about 7 or 8 channels now, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on, by the way. And it in no way interferes with my top secret wealth plan, guys. In fact, I just received, not just received, probably just about, I don't know, I'm going to say a couple of weeks ago, I just received my first 500 top secret wealth plan postcards, guys, okay? And I'm getting ready to mail them out. I just recently ordered 2,000 names. I actually was thinking about ordering 5,000, but I ordered 2,000 names on pill and stick labels, and it's such a great price that I'm probably going to go back in and order 3,000 more. And so what I'm doing is just kind of positioning myself for a super launch that I'm actually right in the middle of, or shortly, July 1. And on July 4th, I'm sorry. And so I wanted to make the rounds today to make sure I posted a video to all of my YouTube channels so that I can bring you guys up to speed. Now, for you guys are still sitting around and you watching the Top Secret Wealth Plan, guys, and you haven't joined, I put this channel together specifically for my Top Secret Wealth Plan people, you know, and some really, really great training that I've been putting together. I've actually been consolidating the training. And so I'm going to make that available to anybody that joins the Top Secret Wealth Plan. Now, the other thing I want to talk about, guys, is the fact that, well, let me just jump over here and show you guys. I can show you better than I can tell you. Okay, guys, I've been kind of working diligently on my new secret video postcard marketing system. And so it's what I've really been up to. I've really kind of dropped everything else I was kind of doing, and I wanted to put this together. And so this is where I've been. I'm going to show you guys a few of the videos that I've uploaded and why I've been so busy. The channel's relatively new, but this is what I kind of been up to, guys, okay? And it really doesn't matter whether we're promoting the Top Secret Wealth Plan or the Secret Video Postcard Marketing System, because you can use the new techniques, the tactics, the strategies that I'm actually building into this dedicated hosted website to do it both online and offline, guys. So this is what I've been up to. And I'm going to ask you guys, if you get a chance and you're on this channel, I'm going to leave a link to this actual YouTube video, the new one, and I'm going to ask you guys to run over and check that out at your convenience, okay? Now, guys, these Top Secret Wealth Plan postcards I got, and these 2,000 names, it's actually more than 2,000 names on pill and stick labels I'm going to drop in the actual mailbox, probably week after next. And the reason why is because mail order, guys, and I think it's probably because of the in lieu of the pandemic, it used to be a time when mail orders sort of slowed down during certain periods of the year. And one of those slower months was May. And May and June. But I think because of the pandemic, guys, it's really not slowing down at all, guys. Direct mail marketing is pretty much, it's actually moving at a different rate. And it may be, excuse me, it may be because of the pandemic. But I can tell you guys that postcard marketing, direct mail marketing, it's always been a great avenue. It's always been a great marketing model, model that you could get into and pretty much, make money without breaking the bank just by mailing postcards. And particularly if you don't want to get involved in a lot of, different online stuff and affiliate marketing. But the way I've set these systems up, they are actually interchangeable, so you can promote them both online and off. And that's exactly what's happening with my secret video postcard marketing system. It's a different animal, very similar to the Top Secret Wealth Plan, just in terms of all you really have to do is mail a postcard. But anyway, I'm ramping up for this super launch on July 4 of this year, and then, guys, in August I probably will do a mass mailing. I'm looking at probably trying to mail probably about 5,000 postcards at one time. I'm going to be mailing 1,000 different postcards for 5 different offers. And so what I've been doing is really just putting that stuff together. And ordering the postcards is not a big deal, guys, but putting the stamps on and putting the labels on, that's the job, right? And then jumping between YouTube channels, guys, that's what's been happening. But anyway, all this information that I've been loading up onto the Top Secret Wealth Plan, right, I've actually built it into a dedicated hosted website. And I'm building it around the secret video postcard marketing system, but a lot of it's the exact same training that I actually have inside the Top Secret Wealth Plan YouTube video. But what I'm doing is I packaged it, and what I've done is I created my own postcard marketing system. And so what I'm doing now is I'm hosting all of the membership area on dedicated websites for people who come into the actual postcard marketing system. Now, just like the Top Secret Wealth Plan, you can promote this both online and off, right? Using the Secret Video Postcard Marketing System. And I got some really, really cool stuff that I put together. There's some of the same stuff that I put together here, but it's actually going to be exclusively for people who join the Top Secret Wealth Plan or people who join the Secret Video Postcard Marketing System. And so what I mean by that is very similar to the Top Secret Wealth Plan. You guys basically can sell this. You'll have the license to sell this actual product package, and it's loaded with stuff, and you'll be able to pick up a $100 cash commission, and a little bit of a twist from the Top Secret Wealth Plan, where these payments come directly to you. I will have your information in my computer's database, but these are peer-to-peer payments that come directly to you via Zelle, Cash App, or postal money order. And so that's what I've been really, really working hard, putting everything together. And it takes a minute. I had a lot of things outsourced, but it's taking me some time. And so one of the trainings that's inside my Top Secret Video Postcard Marketing System is how to create your own YouTube channel in less than 24 hours. Guys, we just shy. I think I started putting this site together back in, okay, so it's going to say 4 weeks ago. So we just a little over a month, and this is what I've done inside the month, guys. And so that's where I've been. I do apologize for any of my subscribers. Any one subscriber is a loyal subscriber and means just as much to me as 1 million subscribers. So I want to apologize again for not being over here on the Top Secret Wealth Plan YouTube video channel. And so I'm going to make the rounds today. I'm going to post this video on all of my YouTube channels. And so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to kind of consolidate my efforts, right? Because I kind of been moving around a lot. So I really want to thank you guys so much. I hope that you guys find information that you can use on this channel. And I hope you guys are keeping in mind that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. I don't care what it is you want to do. And when I first got involved in internet marketing about 6.5 years ago, I was kind of bouncing all over the place like most people do. I just couldn't pick a lane. And so I made money here, there, decent money here and there, still make money, right? Relatively decent money. But I needed to consolidate my efforts, right? In a nutshell, I needed to bring together a platform that was simple and easy. And I didn't want to be bouncing all over the place. And the way I'm designing products now, because I'm creating my own products, is I'm building multiple income streams into the products, but I'm making it a lot simpler and easier. And that's one of the cool things about the Top Secret Wealth Plan, by the way. It's very simple, guys. You can mail the postcard. You can, I thought I put that video up on here. I wonder if I can find it. You can pretty much, there it is right there. Let's go over there. You can pretty much, do whatever you want to do. I think my computer's acting a little funny. I'm trying to get to that video. Okay, there we go. And so I've really been around Robin Hood's barn, just trying to get this together, right? Well, I can't play both videos at the same time. I was trying to get to the place where I had the actual postcard template for the Top Secret Wealth Plan. Okay, so here we are. And so I got these postcards, guys. I'm going to be honest. I mean, it was, wow. It was, when did I do this video? I did this video, I can't see, when did I do it? Well, whenever I did it, I picked up the postcards, and then I'm ashamed to tell you guys, I'm probably sitting on about 15,000 postcards, right? I really, really, wow, that's the OCD in me. But anyway, guys, we got new direction. Still diligently going to be promoting both the top secret well plan along with my secret video postcard marketing system. And inside the secret video postcard marketing system product package are multiple income streams you guys can build yourself into. And again, the difference being these payments will come directly to you via Zelle, Cash App, and or postal money order. And so two incredible programs, and there are other programs that I got built into the system, but now I'm streamlining, right? And so that's what we're headed for, guys. Looking for a blast as actually starting July 4 of this year, 2021, and rolling right into the holiday season. And it looks things are looking pretty good just in terms of the pandemic. I think things are starting to open back up, but I can tell you guys that people are going to be looking a lot closer at working from home, because even though things are opening back up, it's created an atmosphere, and it's awakened a lot of people in terms of being dependent on a job that can be snatched from right under you at any time, whether it's a situation like the pandemic or not, guys. And so postcard marketing is really a simple and easy way to get started in terms of a side hustle and making money from home. And it doesn't have to cost a lot. And now I got some great sources, some new sources where we can get these names really cheap. We can get these postcards printed, right? We're talking like 5,000 guys, right around $160. Really cool stuff. So I'm gonna leave the link for my secret video postcard marketing system YouTube channel in this YouTube video on my top secret wealth system YouTube channel. And hopefully you guys get over there to take a chance and look at it. And also, guys, make sure if you haven't checked out, right, if you haven't really taken a look at Brian's top secret wealth plan, you really need to check it out, guys. It's really an incredible program. I love it. And I'll get to actually see the benefit of my labor actually when I start mailing these postcards in a couple of weeks. But I appreciate you guys. I wanted to say again, I apologize for not being on the channel. I promise to be on this channel every week. And so I apologize to you guys so much. And I'm going to go across my YouTube channels today. And I'm going to post this video to all my YouTube channels. So all of you guys, I'm going to post this on all of my channels. So thanks all of you guys who are on all of my channels, right? It's really just relatively a handful even when you add them all together. But I appreciate it. You know what I mean? I appreciate you guys stopping by, listening in on the videos. And I know that if any, or for anybody looking for a way to make some extra income, we know, guys, there are opportunities all over the World Wide Web. You know what I mean? I mean, really, lots of great stuff to get involved with. But it's great to get a little more structure. You know what I mean? Get yourself situated, decide on a plan, and then kind of create some structure. And so now I'm on the product creation side of my particular journey, and so that's where I'm focusing now. But I'm able to roll everything into a centralized location and packages that sort of complement each other. So it really doesn't matter what you're marketing and promoting. The training is universal. It's evergreen, and so you guys will be able to use it. So I'll leave the link to my new YouTube channel in this video. And guys, again, make sure if you guys haven't checked Brian Kelly out over there, guys, at the Top Secret Wealth Plan, go do it, and you'll find some videos. I think I got Brian in one of the videos on this channel. And do that, guys. Just do it, okay? Anyway, I got miles to go before I sleep, guys. I will see you guys on the next video, which hopefully will be next week. I appreciate you guys so very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet direct mail marketing lifestyle without limits. Let's go get them, guys. Let's make some things happen, and I'll see you guys on the next video.